I think this type of experience, it challenges you to dig deep and to really reflect on what are your values, what guides you as a leader, what type of leader are you, what do you hold true to your core, what are your needs. And so understanding that and having that self-awareness just improves your ability to have a deeper relationship in your own personal life with your family, in your professional life with your staff. The more that you have for self-awareness, the more that you're able to better lead, as well as able to better acknowledge what other individuals' needs are. You know, this opportunity to be here was an opportunity to learn a lot, but also just to take some time to connect with myself again and just to relax a little bit. So just feeling more rejuvenated and ready to get back to it. I think the type of person that is going to be interested in this retreat is going to be someone that is very busy and could come up with all of the reasons why they shouldn't come or excuses for why they're too busy. But I would just say that to take the time to invest in yourself. You're worth that time. It's important to have those growth opportunities. It's important to have those educational opportunities and trainings, just because your journey is never ending, and it's important that you have that time to really reflect for yourself.